wearing heels right now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So without them, you'll be a little shorter than me. Okay, perfect. But my hair poof is kind of like...
With the hair poof?
Let me bring that up. There we go. All right, cool. Well, it was nice meeting you guys. You just want to get out of here? Let's rock and roll. No, I'm kidding.
You have to say goodbye.
It's too early for that.
You're right, it is too early. It's about like 11.
It's far too early for that, yeah.
1 a.m.? Wait at least 3 hours.
Whoa, you want to leave at 1?
Right.
Okay, perfect. Let's
Find me at
shake
1.
on it. Yeah, okay, we'll leave together at 1 o'clock. Perfect. I'm down for that.
So in all of life, obviously, as you know, there needs to be you have to sacrifice things, right? You have to make different sacrifices. So something I've been talking to a lot of my students about is a massive revelation that I've had over the last like 3-4 months or so. And it is this, okay? I'm a degenerate, bro. When I'm out in a club, I love like grinding on bitches, making out. I'm fucking like putting my hand on their neck, like pulling on their hair and shit. And they're like, oh my God, fucking whatever. Bro, I am not making out with girls in the club anymore. At all. 0. And so if your goal is to start pulling, I want you to stop making out with chicks. So here's the thing. This is what I want you to do instead. Is so first of all, if a girl goes to make out with you, reject it. Okay? So say that you're in that situation, right? You guys are like hitting it off, you're really close, building that sexual tension, and she goes to make out with you. I want you just to like fucking grab her face and like kiss her cheek or something, or turn your cheek into her, and she'll be like, "Fine, whatever, blah blah blah." And a lot of guys think, oh, well, no, I want her to know that, like, I'm into her and, like, making out is fun and it makes it all super sexual or whatever. Women get so much more of a sexual release from making out than men do. Okay, so you know what I'm saying? For you, you're making out with a chick and it's even just more solidified in your brain of, like, fuck, I want to fuck now, holy shit. Women, it is not like that, bro. It's like they kind of got something out of their system. So, and I never listened to this back in the day, but I actually got this. This is like old school Mystery shit. You know who Mystery is, right? Like the old school PUA. Yeah. So he said this in a video a long time ago, and I remembered seeing it, but I was like, well, fuck that, dude. I love making out with chicks when I'm out. It's a lot of fun, blah, blah, blah. And it didn't really make sense to me until I started just kind of like messing around with it. Bro, lean in. Bro, lean in to get that make out. Like, lean in as if you're gonna do it. See that she's about to do it, and then just fucking dip down and, like, kiss her forehead, bro. Like, just fucking kiss that forehead, bro. I'm so serious about this. It is, like, because look at, again, in game, so much of what we have to do is what we see is the opposite of what we see every other guy doing. So recently I've been talking a lot about, and this is just something I've done for so long, and now I'm trying to be more vocal about it. I will do shit where when there is just sort of this environment where you are able to keep track of the girl in one way, shape, or form, right? Not necessarily follow her around and stalk her and all of that, but just what I like to do is I like to really leave these interactions on a high point. And again, that's something opposite of what a lot of guys would do. What do you really see most like beta ass dudes doing with chicks is they're trying to suck up their time for the whole night and like stick on them and just keep talking and blah, 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 to the point where the girl's like, geez, dude, God, what the fuck? As opposed to, it's fucking really good. You had a great conversation. Shit's awesome. And you're like, hey, my buddy's over there. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. And now she's like, oh, well, why is he going now? You know what I'm saying? Like leaving it on a high point and then catching up with her in a little bit. And then just to bring this all full circle back to the making out thing. Again, every fucking guy that would ever have even the slightest little potential to make out with a chick, they're gonna try to do it. They're going to either go for it or they're going to accept it from the girl or whatever. This was happening to me just this last Wednesday before I went to Dallas. I met this chick out, this whole event that we have here in Columbus. It's called Sad Boys. They play all this emo music, whatever. I'm like dancing with this girl, you know, just like actually dancing, not grinding. Dancing with her. We're singing these songs or whatever. Dude, she comes in. She's singing really close to my face. She goes to fucking make out with me. And I just like turn my cheek towards her. And she's like, fine, well, whatever. Ba-da-da-da. And then I tried to pull her. I couldn't. I left the next day and we're texting and whatever. So we'll see where that goes. But the point is, just full circle, I wanted you just to fully understand this concept. Just don't make out with these chicks. And it's tough not to. It's tough not to because it's fucking fun. And it feels like a victory. It's like, yeah, I made out with that bitch.
This is Francois checking in with Evolution Daily. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about the power of pink sweaters. Francois, check it out. Let's go. Hey, what's up? I'm Francois. I'm Francois.
All right, let's see an ID.
An ID?
Yeah.
Why do you want to see an ID to prove that my name? Why do you not believe that my name is Francois? This is called name shaming. Just so you know, it's like as if you're hating me for being white. You're hating that my name is Francois.
Aaron, hey Aaron.
Hey, Aaron.
Hey Aaron.
That's what my grandpa has always called me. Hey, Aaron or Francois, just like whatever, dude. 1 second. Give us 1 second. 1 second. Why does she look like she doesn't approve?
She doesn't approve of anything I do.
Really? Hey, kiss my cheek really quick.
What?
Kiss my cheek. Okay, kiss my lips while they're all not looking. Hey, let's hang out later. Yeah. Are you wearing heels right now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So without them, you'll be a little shorter than me. Okay, but my hair poof is kind of like...
You're right. With the hair proof.
Let me bring that up. There we go. All right, cool. Well, it was nice meeting you guys. You just want to get out of here? Let's rock and roll. No, I'm kidding.
We have to say goodbye.
It's too early for that.
You're right. It is too early.
far
It's about
too-
like 11.
It's far too early for that, yeah.
1 a.m. Wait at least 3 hours.
Whoa, you want to leave at 1?
Right.
Okay, perfect. Look
Find
at
me at
shake
1.
on it. Yeah, okay, we'll leave together at 1 o'clock. Perfect. I'm down for that.